I'm Hector Puerto. I'm from Valencia in Spain, and I studied the LLM in European law. I always thought about studying a field of law that had like an international perspective, so I could work abroad in a certain moment. And I thought that European law was quite interesting, and I was looking for the best courses and LLM about that, and the University of Edinburgh was one of the top world unis. So I decided to apply for that uni, and I luckily managed. So I I was quite excited about being able to study there. I enjoy like studying with another international students with different backgrounds, and the professors were also uh, quite really good, and I'm really pleased about my experience there. And if I had to highlight something, I would highlight once I did the moot court course, and we were able to qualify to Lisbon. It was like the regional. Well, it was like a regional final of the moot court, European moot court competition in Lisbon, and we could go there. So it was like a amazing experience with people around all Europe, and yeah, it was like something that I will never forget. I could have like video conferences with my tutor, and I think that at the end the result I'm happy with it. I get like a good mark. I got a good mark, and also I think that it was a good dissertation. So more or less we could manage properly. I felt like really integrated into the kind of Edinburgh society, because I joined, for example, a rugby club that was related with the uni, and the majority of the students, well, of the members of the team there were students, and they were Scottish. So I wasn't just an international student in Edinburgh. I felt at least like I was kind of a one more Scottish around there, no? So I think that uh, I would highlight that, of course, like the international community that comes from all the world to study there makes you like feel and in a kind of a international bubble. But at the same time, if you want, I think that you can get inside a bit in a Scottish way of life, and for me that was like an amazing experience. So it was really cool. In Spain, like we have to do like a master to be able to become lawyers, because we have to pass like a bar exam. So I'm preparing for that exam, and after that, what I want is like maybe like working in a law firm in something related with view law, or a public institution related with that for some years and get some work experience. But I have thought about that, and I talked with my professors, and they said to me that maybe I could try to do like apply for a PhD. So I don't. It's something that is around my head. I would like to do a PhD in a certain point, but I still don't know when is the most appropriate moment. So right now I want to get some work experience, and after that, try to do a PhD.